Hello. Today this video will show you how to create drawings with Microsoft Visio using the OCC stencils. First, open Microsoft Visio and create a new drawing. Save the drawing with a new descriptive name. Then, open the OCC Visio Stencils. Now, let's place a rack unit. From the stencil named OCC Rack Units, select a rack shape, drag it onto the drawing, position it as desired, and drop it in place. From the stencil named OCC Rack Mount Fiber Enclosures, drag a shape and hover it over the desired rack unit space until the green square appears at the lower left or right-hand corner and release it. These green squares are glue points and indicate that the shape has positioned itself correctly. The fiber enclosure is now attached to the rack. If the rack needs to be moved on the drawing, the fiber enclosure will remain attached to the rack. From the stencil named OCC adapter plates, drag a shape and hover it over the center of the panel until the green square appears and release it. Most adapter plates use center points for placement. It is recommended to zoom in closely on the enclosure before placing adapter plates to be certain that they snap in correctly. If required, a shape may be easily rotated with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-R or Ctrl-L. Rotate a shape before snapping it into the fiber enclosure. Once oriented as desired, snap it into place. Select the adapter plate, then right-click to reveal the flyout menu and select the desired configuration. Note that the number of ports and the color of the adapters will toggle appropriately with the selection. Not only will the shape change, but the OCC part number that feeds into the bill of materials will change accordingly. The fiber enclosure bezels are placed on a layer and made invisible by default. To show them, simply select Layer Properties under Layers in the Home tab. Check the visible box and click OK. It might be necessary to change the display order of the enclosure with the adapter plate to make it appear behind the bezel. To run a BOM report, select Shape Reports from the Review tab on the Visio toolbar. Select the desired fields and then run the report. The report generated is an embedded Excel spreadsheet that can be exported and manipulated if desired. As more shapes are added to the layout, the report may be updated simply by selecting the report and right-click Run Report. All stencils can be searched simultaneously to find a particular shape by entering a description in the search bar. For more information on the OCC Visio Stencils or related products, call 800-622-7711 or visit our website at occfiber.com. OCC, connections you can count on.